going, guys? It's Mike here and welcome back to my new channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install PlayBox HD to watch free movies, all of them, not really all of them, but some of them. You might know, like awesome movies like that, and like Boruto episodes, things kinda like that, animation, anime, action movies, scary movies, horror movies, anything like that. So today I'm going to show you how to install it. So let's get started. So you want to go to Safari and you want to search for this one. I don't know how to pronounce it, but as you can see right there, iOS, and you want to click this get. After that, it's gonna wait for 5 seconds or more than 5 seconds because it's a little bit laggy and stuff. And you wanna click on open and click install, and that's home button. Just gonna wait for it. Now as you guys can see, PlayBox is here. Click if it said Untrust Enterprise Developer. Click on settings, most of you know how to do it, and just general, hold on, and scroll down, profile, device and management, and scroll down, try to find the PlayBox. So it's here, click on trust, and I'm gonna go back and PlayBox. Allow if you want notification if new movies come out. For me, I'm gonna click allow, so you can see Despicable Minions, Me 3, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, Deadpool, Spider-Man Comic, and King Kong. So yeah, that's it all for today, guys. You can see there's movie stuff, and don't forget to like, and if you join it, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.